Hi friends, Kerala High Court job notification is available. Number of posts 55 anticipated. Name of the post assistants. Salary 39,000 to 83,000. Notification dated 29/6/2021. Next, go through the other details. Important dates with regard to the submission of application. Date of commencement of step 1, that is registration. Step 2 is online application. So 8/7/2021. Date of closure of step 1 is 28/7. So we will apply within 28 of this month. Date of closure of step 2 9/8. Commencement of remittance of application fee 11/8. Last date for 27/8. Age limit. Candidate born between 2/1/1985 and 1/1/2003. Both dates are eligible to apply. Candidate who are the member of High Court service also they are eligible. Next, candidate belongs to backward classes, born between 2/1/1982 to 1/1/2003. Both days are inclusive, are eligible to apply. Now we will verify age relaxations in this notification. The ex-serviceman also can apply, and age relaxation up to 15 years will be granted to the blind and deaf and dumb candidates, and 10 years for orthopedically disabled. Age relaxation up to 5 years will be granted to widows, subject to the conditions that in no case upper age limit shall exceed 50 years. This is important age relaxations in this notification. Next, qualifications. Bachelor degree with at least 50% marks, or master's degree or law, awarded or recognized by any of universities in Kerala. Next, mode of selection. The selection will be on the basis of objective test, descriptive test and interview. Objective test with 75 minutes duration consists of 3 sections. General English 50 marks, general knowledge 40 marks, and facts about India and Kerala, Constitution of India, general science, and information technology, current affairs. This is the subjects in this examination. Basic mathematics and reasoning 10 marks. Descriptive test. A descriptive test with 60 minutes duration, 60 marks. Next, interview 10 marks. This is the mode of selection. Next, go through the another detail. Application fee 450 rupees. Scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, unemployed, differently abled candidates are exempted from payment of application fee. Next, how to apply. The application mode of application is online application. Process has 2 parts, step 1 and step 2. Step 1 is registration, step 2 is application, online application. So there is a clear-cut guidance how to apply, how to registration is also available in this notification. Another important point, the admission tickets for the test will be ready for download 3 weeks prior to the date of the test, and the call letters for interview will be ready for downloaded 2 weeks prior to the interview. So the candidates will be intimated through SMS, email. Candidates who have found place in the short list can download and take printout of the call letters for interview. This is important point in this notification. Photo and signature size 20 KB to 40 KB, and signature size is 10 KB to 20 KB. There is a specific size is required at the time of uploading application. Now watch how to visit Kerala High Court recruitment portal, hckrecruitment.nic.in, and click here. Visit Kerala High Court recruitment portal. Click here to notification. Now we will go through the how to register before online application. After registration, we will note down application number. Now watch how to register. So online application, click that, then we will register first. Now register here. After registration, we will note down application number. This is the application format, registration format, the date of birth and other details, and set password here and fill up this. And after registration is completed, enter your application number, then go through the apply the application. Thank you viewers, thank you for watching this video.